How to set up Google as a home page in your Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the simple method that you can make the Google search engine your home page in Google Chrome browser. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Let me open the Chrome browser first. Okay guys, so here you can see my home page is Google, so you can also make it. Okay, so first thing, we need to check whether our Chrome browser up to date or not. How you can check it? Just click on this three dot option, go to the help, go to the about Google Chrome, and here you can check whether your Chrome browser is up to date or not. So you have to check the updation. If it is not, it will be start updating automatically, and after you have to just relaunch. Okay, now in order to set up Google as a home page in Chrome, just click on this three dot option, go to the settings, and under the settings we need to go in. You can see the at your left side there is a options bar. We need to go in the on startup, these options. Under startup you will see three options, which is open the new tabs when you open the Chrome, or continue where you left, or open the specific page. So we need to come in open the specific page and open the new tab and type the Google. Okay, open the Google here in new tab, come to the previous tab and just click on this open specific page or set the page and use the current page. Click on use the current page. Okay, so this is page which we have open here. This will be used as a your home page. Okay, and this is for a home page, but when you open the Chrome browser you will see home page as a Google, but in the search bar you will see this is Google icon, which is Google search. Okay, when you search in search bar there is a Google search bar. Okay, if you want to change it, you have to go in this search engine, and search engine use in the address bar. If you have select any others, you can select the Google only, then your default search engine will be Google. Whatever you search, it will be search in Google only. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.